up there. Hi everybody, Mike here. Thanks for watching. We're going flying again today, and it's been a while, but we're going to go up to there, that mountain, about 2.5 miles away, about 5,000 feet up, and the wind's starting to blow, so we gotta beat the weather here. We're flying the Naked Blackmagic Pocket Cinema camera and the 8-inch quad. And this thing is amazing. It takes great video. What I've got here is the HD0 SharkBite VTX receiver, and I've adapted in some extra pigtails here, took out the stock patches, and I've got two high gain triple feed patch antennas here, plus a couple of 7-turn helicals for my feed. This works really good. And then we run it to a splitter and then to a monitor and my goggles as well. Got the ground station, and we're just gonna go see what happens before it gets windy. So let's go flying. Hey, what else?
Arm motors. Start the camera, the MFT camera.
So you should see a red light now.
I got a red light.
You got a red light?
Uh-huh.
I love it.
Okay, you're all set. Check home distance, altitude, sats.
3 feet away, no altitude. Oh, minus 2 feet. 13 sats, 20.6 volts. Okay, now we're going to be watching power going up the hill.
Okay. You're ready to go. You want me to remind you to break the files every once in a while?
Yeah, if you can, every 5 or 6 minutes.
Okay. And we're off.
I'm leaving too.
Yep.
We got to watch our amp draw, our altitude, and our distance right now.
2250 milliamps.
Okay, that's good. Oh, it was going to be 2500 when we got up there, right?
Yep.
Which is?
You're getting close.
Getting close, right? We're at 24 right there, and we're pushing 2 miles. I can start backing up. I throttle here a little bit.
Two miles.
2 miles. Okay, we're up there. We're good about glide slope. We just gotta fly now.
Okay.
Watch power.
Watch
line of sight.
That's 5 minutes if you want to break it.
I just broke it. It's good. I think we got a wind up here. I feel myself going to the right to left. Okay. I'm gonna go by Goat Rock.
Let's see if we can find one.
8 miles an hour. This is Goat Rock. I don't see no goat.
I don't see any air.
Well, let's just keep flying up the hill then, huh?
Yep.
What's our power at? We had a little break up there.
We're at
3,000.
Yep. 4,000.
Okay, just give me power watches, my amps, yeah. It's 4,000, 3,100.
3,100, yep.
We don't care about altitude. I'm just flying up this ridge. Nice and slow, 6 miles an hour.
7 miles an hour now.
Maybe I'll go a little faster.
2.25 miles out now.
3,200.
4,200, yeah.
3,200 amps. There's a dead stick.
3,300 milliamps.
Okay,
now.
that's what I want to know. Get a little more speed going. Okay, you're aiming toward the top of the middle ridge.
I'm aiming for the top of the middle ridge.
Good. 3,500 milliamps, right?
Right. Right there.
I'm going to go to the top of the trees a little bit here. Do a little bit more of this. Should I go over to Goat Point?
Okay.
I'm going to go over to Goat Point.
Okay.
See if they're over there. There's a breakup from the motor. Love it. We know what we're doing now.
Yep.
Going too fast.
$3,800 milliamps.
Thank you. Let's go up to the top here. Let's go to the first peak, huh?
Okay.
$3,900. All right.
Right.
That's just that's just quad break up there.
2.43 miles out.
This is the first peak, right? Or is
This
the
is the
second
first peak.
Oh, this is the second peak here. Are we at the church peak now? I think we are.
Mm-hmm.
Well, no, we're not. We're at the first peak.
There's the first peak. You're at the first one. You still got the gap to fill there.
Yeah, I do. Okay. I couldn't see it. Where was it? Okay, might as well aim at church, huh?
Okay. I'm aimed at it.
41. 42.
Okay. 4,200 milliamps. 2.5 miles out.
Give me a little more forward speed.
Altitude 49.
Okay,
5,000 there.
Watch the amps. Time to do some diving here. Shake, baby, shake. Okay, aim it at the near peak.
Okay.
Get ready to aim it at Goat
I'm aiming.
Point.
Just, it's just touch it and move
Yeah,
it.
that's what we need to do. Trying to slow this baby down. Yeah, I'm below the big white chute now.
That's 10 minutes if you want to break it again.
Okay. I broke it. Good reminder. Okay, let's slow it down. We're at the middle of the ridge.
Okay.
$47. We need to be heading back at 65 and we got a wind.
Right.
Even 63 if we want. Big tree here. Battery's good. Well, missions objectives have been done so far. Let's fly along this wall here a little closer.
Okay.
Okay, we want to start leaving this spot at what, 65,
This
right?
is 5,000 right now.
We got about 1,000-ish too. Just trying to get nice.
Find a goat.
Yeah, I don't think he's here today. $52. 53 almost.
Getting close. 53.
Arm brake up. $54. Really don't know if I want to dive down this chute today.
Okay. 55, right there.
Okay. 65, we got to be heading home. Let me go down here. Turn the quad. Isn't that amazing? You see that motor noise. Battery's 3.27. I'll do this. I really don't want to go to the bottom of the hill and have to pull back up.
No.
And draw my motors.
Uh-huh.
Because our batteries are starting to get low.
That's 5,900 milliamps right there.
We're getting... $6,000. It's almost time to start heading home, isn't it?
Yep. 6,000 there.
I broke the file again.
$6,200 milliamps.
Should we err on the side of a caution here?
Mm-hmm.
Start heading home.
Okay.
Okay, I gotta watch my slope. 2 miles, I'm at 3,700. "17-minute flight."
So
You don't
far.
land on these trees, Mike.
Mm-hmm.
Hell, it's more windier down here than up there.
I got eyes on you.
Where are we? We're back here in this hill back here. We gotta go forward a little bit, don't I? Good job, Jim.
Good job,
I'm
Mike.
glad we did this.
You did a good...
I don't want to fly up there again. It's too windy.
Yeah.
I mean, it's getting windy.
Uh-huh. Nice flight. You're right on course coming in.
Ah, dang it, I missed it again.
Just... you just need to make a bigger landing pad.
Yeah, yeah. Then I'll hit it every time. We need an aircraft carrier. 7,400 amps used. That was an 18-minute flight. And 5190 feet up. 2.57 miles max. Okay, so I need to checklist. We need to stop the recording. I think I did. Well, that was fun. We got up there, we came back alive, the wind started picking up, so I decided to come back early in case I had a headwind, which I still had plenty of power to get back. I'll learn the characteristics of this flight as I do it more. I just don't like flying in the turbulence. Anyways, thanks for watching.